Hello everybody. We tend to forget things sometime or the other while working on Excel file. In a hurry to meet the deadline, we tend to forget password of a protected file, and it is difficult to edit those files. Secondly, we forget to save the Excel file after doing a work on it. Yes, today I'll show you how to recover those Excel file which was not saved earlier, and how to edit those protected file where you have forgotten the password. Let's jump to the PC and see how it can be done. Welcome back. Now I'm on an Excel file where there is a data of sales for 2020 and 2021. Here's the data, and it was saved as sales data 2020-21. Okay. And after saving this file, I started working on this Excel file. I did a pivot table where I summarized quarterly sales for both the years. Then I have created one chart where I have shown the comparison of sales for quarter wise for both the years. Now my work is completed. I want to close this file. But accidentally what has happened, instead of saving, I have clicked on don't save. Now my data might have gone. Let us see, this was a file which I have worked on. What has happened? The original file is the original data is there, but the later on whatever work done is not saved. But don't worry, we can recover that data. For that, let's go to file option, click on info, go to manage workbook option over here. Here it says that it was last saved when I closed without saving. So click on here, you can recover this data. This data is available. Now it shows sales data, XLS, whatever it is, and unsaved. Now I can save it as a fresh Excel file, and I may give some name like that, and I can save it wherever I want. Now it is saved. But there is a second scenario wherein I have not saved at all in the beginning, but still I want it should be recovered. That is also possible. But before that, please ensure that here in this option, you have to go to option and you have to go to save, and by default it is 10. It has to be made to 1. Okay. And I'll click OK, ensure that these two checkboxes are clicked. Then click on OK. Now I'll show you a standard file or unsaved file. Let's go to another Excel file. In the second scenario, I have got one Excel file open. This file is having some data about sales. I have done some work on this, but it is not saved. Excel by default, if the file is not saved, it says book 1. Now I want to close this file, but again accidentally I have not saved and I have clicked on don't save. It says if you want you can save, but I by chance, by mistake, I clicked on don't save. In this case, what I have to do, I will again go to an Excel file, blank Excel file, to recover that unsaved file. I have opened one blank Excel file. Then I'll go to again info, click on manage workbook, recover unsaved file. My unsaved file is here, book 1, you can see, and I have opened. Here I have recovered the data, recovered the Excel file with the data available with me. I hope it is very clear. Let's go to another topic now. That is very interesting. How to open protected or open and edit protected file. Welcome back. Now I'm an Excel file again, and this particular sheet is protected, or this particular worksheet is protected. I'll show you. Here it is. It says it is protected, and I have forgotten the password. I cannot edit. I cannot do any work on this file, and I have forgotten the password. But I want to recover this sheet and I want to make it unprotected and work on this file. In this case, what I will do, I will just save the file, close it. I'll show you once again this protected file. Here it is. I'll open once again and you can see it is protected. Okay, I want to make it unprotected. For that, what I'll do, I'll rename this extension, file extension, as zip file, ZIP. ZIP. Now it has become a zip file. What I'll do, I'll click on this zip file, go to Excel, go to worksheet. In this worksheet, there is one Excel file, XML file. I have to edit that XML file. What I'll do, temporarily, I'll bring it on my desktop. It is downloading. Yeah, this is that XML file. I want to just open it and it has to open in Notepad. I'll click. Don't be worried about this numbers and all complicated. Simply look for protection word over here. Once you get this protection word, start from the sheet, select all the line item till you go to scenario 1 and this one till here. Delete this line. Then save. Once this file is saved, close it and take this XML file over here. It will ask to replace, copy and replace. Now it is replaced and I am going to close this and I am deleting this XML file. Again, I'll rename this zip file to XLX. XLSX. Again, it will become a normal Excel file. I'll open and you can see it has become unprotected. I can change the values. I can do whatever it want. I hope both the topics are very important and very easy to learn. Kindly implement this learnings in your day-to-day work. And before I close this session, I'll request you to help me to push this video to most of the audience so that maximum people can watch, understand and learn something from it. For that, I will request you to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.